so today my hair is out of my face because we are going to be trying out some DIY eyebrow tattoo. The last time I saw my friend Tina here on YouTube, and she did a DIY eyebrow tinting or eyebrow tattoo using Bigen or Bigen. I don't know how you guys pronounce this, but today I'm going to be using this to try and dye my eyebrows. This is actually what they've said, the semi-permanent eyebrow tint, and they said actually that the color lasts for days, and this only costs 69 pesos, so that is about. Right, so right now the color that I'm going to be trying out is the dark brown one. They actually have a lot of shades. Right, so in here, this is what the box looks like. And then inside you'll have a cup, and then you'll have the henna powder right here. I know it has an instructional guide here, but I think I'm going to wing it. I've been using henna to dye my grandma's hair, so I think I kind of know how to do this. So basically you just mix the powder into the water. Alright, so right now I'm going to be using this cup right here, and I'm gonna add the henna powder inside. So I'm gonna use that much right there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add in the water. Okay, maybe that much for now. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix that in. Okay. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but wow, it turns into this paste-like consistency. You have to apply it right away, but however, it says also to do kind of like a skin test first if you have any allergies and all that. So that's what it looks like. The color changed. Okay, so I've added in water, more water, and it looks like this now, and it definitely looks a lot. And actually, I've tested at the back of my hand, and that's what it looks like right there. Alright, okay, so I'm gonna remove the tinting on my eyebrows right now, and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is what my original eyebrows look like without the tint and all. So I actually want to like cover the sparse area right here. In the camera, it kind of makes it look like I have like a lot of sparses, but like in real life, I don't have that much. And my original eyebrows are really bushy if I don't trim them. First things first though, I am going to kind of like shape my eyebrows already because I don't want to mess it up and have an irregular, crazy shape looking eyebrows. So I'm gonna outline my eyebrows and fill them in. Now it's time to fill it in. Here it is. A few and apply that on my eyebrow. And also, if you mess up, this is the perfect time to clean it. I'm just trying to make sure that I have filled the gaps, because that would be really weird if I have like patches as soon as I remove this. You can see I actually did make a lot, which is such a waste because I don't think I can reuse this. But however, next time if I make it, I'm actually going to be making a few of it. Okay guys, this is the moment of truth. I am going to remove it now, and also when you do this, please do wear gloves because now it's all over my fingers and my nails, and that's not fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove it, and let's see the result. Whoa. Okay, so in some areas it did tint, and on some areas it didn't. However, it actually did tint the eyebrows and all that. I think I should have really coated some of it, especially in that area right there. I could have put more in there. I think on the other side I did put quite a lot. I'm not so sure if in the camera it kind of looks bleh or meh, but in real life it actually looks okay. It really did tint, so it looks like that. I'm gonna switch into natural lighting so that you all can see what it looks like. Okay, so in natural light it looks like this. It really did tint my eyebrows, as you guys can see now that without those artificial lightings and all that. This is what they look like. not bad actually, not bad. The tinting of it, it's not that harsh, which is great. I feel like if I use the brown black, it would really make my eyebrows look very harsh. I think I could do a better job next time. This is actually my first time doing this, so it looks like that, but not so bad. Alright, now so this is the second application. That's what it looks like right there. I think this one is way better. My eyebrows is not so far off from my dark hair. You can definitely see it's sort of ish brown. So that is it, you guys. If you all like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you all want me to try out more DIYs, let me know in the comments down below. And also, if you can't find this product, I actually made another DIY of this using products that you can find around your house to tint your eyebrows. But yep, that is it for now, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!